Several people want to understand the difference between the Ali Bank money market and the Ali Bank savings. So today we're going to be discussing about these two program under the platform called Ali, and this way we're able to know which one is best between the Ali Bank money market and the Ali Bank savings. So firstly, you need to know that the Ali Bank money market account, which is also known as the Ali Bank MMA, is a program by Ali Bank which offers a combination of features from both savings and checkings accounts, and it typically provides higher interest rates compared to the regular savings accounts. It also comes with flexibility of check writing and a debit card. Also, these features makes it more accessible for transactions while still earning interest. However, the trade-off includes the lack of specialized saving tools like buckets. All right, so that is the only aspect of this. So let's talk about the Ali Bank savings, which is designed purely for savings purposes. It offers competitive interest rates and a featured called buckets. All right, so it's which allows you to divide your savings into different goals within the same account. So this account focuses more on encouraging savings by restricting easy access to funds, thus reducing the chances of impulsive spending. All right, so let's talk about the key differences between these two accounts. So possibly you're able to know the best between both accounts, and you can use this to make the best decision. The first one we're going to talk about is the interest rate. When we look at the money market, which is the MMA account, it typically offers slightly higher interest rates, okay, when it comes to the money market. But when it comes to savings, they have slightly lower interest rates, but it's still competitive. All right, so in this aspect, the best when it comes to interest rates goes to the Ali Bank money market for its higher returns on deposit. Talking about the accessibility, when it comes to money market, it comes with check writing and debit card capabilities, okay, but when it comes to the savings account of Ali Bank, they do not offer check writing or a debit card. So in this aspect, the money market will still be best for ease of access and transactions. In the aspect of savings tools, the money market does not support buckets or savings boosters, okay, that is a little bit of drawback. But when it comes to the savings, it supports buckets for goal-based savings and savings boosters. So in this aspect of savings tools, the savings account is still the best for better organization and automated savings. Talking about fraud protection, when it comes to the Ali Bank savings account, it is safer because it lacks transaction methods vulnerable to fraud. But the aspect of money market is more susceptible due to debit card and also check usage. So in this aspect, I'm going to go with the Ali Bank savings as the best in fraud protection because it has reduced fraud risk. All right, and talking about overdraft protection, when it comes to the savings, they can be used for overdraft protection but with more limits. But money markets can be linked to checking accounts for overdraft protection. So the best in this aspect of overdraft protection is the Ali Bank money market for flexible overdraft protection. Talking about minimum balance requirement, the money market has no minimum balance requirement, and also the savings also does not have any minimum balance requirement. So the best in this, it's a tie because both has no minimum balance requirement. And about the monthly fee, which some people do ask me, the money market does not have any monthly maintenance fee. Same as the savings also, there is no monthly maintenance fee. So with this, it's also a tie because both has no monthly maintenance fee. And talking about the transaction limit, the Ali Bank savings account has up to 6 withdrawals or transfers per statement cycle. And also when it comes to the Ali Bank money market, they have up to 6 withdrawals or transfer per statement cycle. So it's the same, and in this it's still a tie since both are subject to the same federal limits. All right, ease of funds transfers is another thing we need to consider because with the money market of Ali Bank, they have instant access with debit card and check. But when it comes to the savings, their transfers take longer without instant access. So the best in the ease of fund transfer is still going to go with the money market for immediate access to funds. All right. Talking about the bucket feature, the money market does not have any bucket feature. Okay. But the savings account, they allow categorizing funds into different buckets. So in this aspect, the savings is good for goal specific savings. All right. and it's the best in this aspect. Talking about setup and maintenance, there is, simple to set up and maintain in the savings account, especially with automated tools. Okay, so you can see they have several tools. But when it comes to the money market account, they are also easy to set up with fewer maintenance needs. So it is still a tie between both, as both are easy to set up and maintain. Talk about use cases. The money market is best for individuals who need regular access to their funds. So if you need regular access to your funds, the money market is good. Why? When it comes to savings, it is ideal for those focusing on long-term savings goals. All right. So the best here depends on your individual needs. If you're someone who needs frequent access to your funds, then you go for the money market. But if you're someone who want to save for long-term goals, maybe you want to achieve something in the future, you want to buy a house or buy a vehicle, or you just have a goal in the future, you want to fund a business or anything, the Ali Bank savings is the best for you. All right. Talk about FDIC insurance. Well, both as this, okay, the both provide equal insurance coverage of up to $250,000. All right. And account conversion flexibility also. When it comes to the Ali Bank, you can easily switch to money market if needed. And also when it comes to the money market, you can also easily switch to savings if needed. So it's easy to easily switch from one account to the other as a user of Ali Bank. What about user preference? Well, money market is preferred for its slightly higher interest and check writing capabilities. Why? When it comes to the savings, it is preferred for its organization and automated savings tools. So the best here depends on user needs. Money market for accessibility and savings for structured savings. So to me, if you ask me that, okay, which one will I go for? Well, it depends on your whole need. All right. But as for me overall, I'm going to go with the Ali Bank money market account. And the reason is because number one, they have higher interest rates. The money market account consistently offers, slightly higher APY, providing better returns on savings. Okay. And also they have enhanced accessibility. Okay. Because with check writing and, debit card, it offers greater flexibility and ease of access to, to one's funds. Okay. Also the fact that they have overdraft protection, because they can be used more flexibly for overdraft protection, which offers peace of mind for linked checking accounts. And the fact that they also have no fees or, minimum balance, it's still a good one. All right. Because, both accounts share these features, though even the savings account also has this feature, but the added benefit of the money market makes it a better deal. All right. And also there is immediate access to funds via debit card and checks. So which is a significant advantage for anyone who need frequent access to their money. But overall, it is not bad if you can open both accounts. If you have long-term goal, the service is good. But if you're someone who just want frequent access to your money, the money market is good. But overall, the one that has the best features is the money market. So why the Ali Bank savings account is, excellent for goal-oriented savings with its buckets and automation tools, the money market account edges out as the better choice because of the higher interest rates and superior accessibility features. So it makes it suitable for, both savings and occasional spending need. All right. So that is what I have for you in this video. And if you feel now the Ali Bank savings account is still the best, then you can share your thoughts in the comment box. I'm certain it will help other people to make the best decision out there. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you in the next video. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.